Okay, so this is Joel Plays Roblox and more, and today I'm going to show you my Samsung Galaxy S7 ringtones. So, start. Basic bell, basic tone. You have beep once, beep beep, bright morning, brilliant tone, bunny hopping, calling you, chimes, crossing a river, and disclaimer. The S7 camera looks really like the S6 camera, which I forgot to show you. Then next video I will show you something. Dance party, day by day. On it louder. And I'm left with 23%. Doll's house, dream, echo, evening breeze, now left with 22%. Fresh morning, gumdrop, hangouts call, leap out, metal drop, midnight, morning flower. Morning flower has been in a ringtone since in 2013, which is the S4, I believe. I don't think the S4 has this ringtone. No, it does not. When the S5 came out, then there is. So from 2014 to 2017 maybe, or is it 2013 to 2017? Because for 2017 there is the A3, A5, A7 that has this ringtone. Also the J3 Pro, J3, they also have this. Mystic tone, common? No, only this year has. On the stage, one step forward is also a very long, considered long, because it's from 2013 maybe to 2017. Over the horizon, this is not original, so don't believe it's original, because it's not. Paper guitar, percussion, rose, it's blurry. This is a one from S4 and S5. Scampering tone, sonorita. This one is the song that I edited by myself. Soft chimes, spacecraft, time's up, tomorrow, warm greetings, and I'm also going to show you the notification tone. So, beat once, bubble, charming bells, chirps, click, dewdrops, ding dong, future, good news, hangouts message, has triggered, hello, hint, Jay-Z, jump, knock, letter, marble, on time, one drop, opener, peanut, piano, pizzicato, per bell, roll, run, shine, skyline. Skyline has also been a very long since from Samsung Galaxy S6, I believe, to Samsung Galaxy S9. So it's very long. S10 is the space line. And I'm also going to show you how this is like. Don't care about the wallpaper. Phone dialer. And look at this. When I go to connections and to look at this. Look what they will say. You focus first. I really need it to focus. Anyways, I think you guys can't read it. It says 4G. When I connect the Wi-Fi, get this, it will not say 4G anymore. It will say this sign. That means it's not 4G. Okay, so that's it for this phone testing, notification tones, ringtones. Thanks for watching, and I will put more items into this phone so that I can beat it for you. Okay, so see you guys again. So peace out.